welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to unbox the DREMEL 4000, the multi-tool system, and we are going to see all the components that came in this box, and we are also going to make a tool holder that will hold the DREMEL while we are using the flexible shaft that we are going to see in the video. So as you can see, when we open the box, we have the DREMEL hard case, and inside we have the DREMEL with a DREMEL holder, and here we have some accessories, and here we have also some accessories and some components of the DREMEL, and here we have the flexible shaft. So here we have the DREMEL 4000, and if we take a closer look, we can see that here we have the on and off switch. Here we have the lock button that we have to press while changing the beats. Here we have the nose cap. Then here we have the variable speed that goes from 5 till 35,000 revolutions per minute. So as we can see here, our maximum speed will be 35,000 revolutions per minute. And also it's very important to know that the called maximum capacity will be 3.2 millimeters. So when we are buying new beats, we have to know that our maximum capacity of the beat shaft has to be 3.2 millimeters, and I think that the minimum will be 2.5 millimeters in this tool. And here we also have this metal part that will become very useful when we hang the tool, especially when we are using the flexible shaft that we have here, and it's also a very ergonomical tool. I also love this rubber part that it's all around the tool, so it feels very good in your hand while you're working. Inside this box we have all these accessories, and here we have the sanding bends that they come with the mandrel. Then here we have the sanding discs. Also we have different grids, and they come with the mandrel also. Then here we have the polishing pads that they came with the mandrel. Here we have some polishing paste. Then here we have some cutting wheels, mostly for metal. We have a box. Then here we have a grinding stone. Here we have some brushes. Here we have some different kind of stone for grinding or cutting. Here we have another brush. Here we have a collet, a smaller one. This is for the 2.5 shaft bits. Then here we have the wrench. This is for changing the bits. And here we have this is a part that we are going to use later when we install the flexible shaft. And last, these are some bits for cutting or engraving or carving. In the side of the box we have this cutting wheel for metal that comes with the mandrel. We also have these extra bits for the Dremel, and we also have these 4 different attachments that can go on the Dremel. So now we're going to see the differences between the attachments and also the basic function that they do. So we start by taking out the nose cap from the Dremel. We insert this attachment. This attachment is a very simple attachment that will give the Dremel a more ergonomical hold, similar to when you're holding a pen, and is very good for writing or engraving, and is also more ergonomical than the traditional nose cap. Then here you have this attachment that has a flat surface and a 45-degree surface for reference on the bit that you have. So it will become very handy depending on the task that you're doing. And here you can change the depth of the attachment. Then here we have this attachment. It's also an attachment that will help you have a better grip on the Dremel, and I feel very good with this one, because you feel that you have more the control on the tool. So maybe for more precise work, this will be a very good attachment. And the last, we have this attachment that has 2 functions, or let's say 2 main functions. And the first one is to make circles. You attach this one here. You regulate the radius that you need for the work. This will give the Dremel like a center point for making the circle. And then you have this fence that you can also regulate. So it's very handy depending on the work that you're doing, and also on the bit that you're using. So this is the flexible shaft attachment, and this attachment gives the Dremel more flexibility and also more control and precision while working. And I wanted to use this attachment for carving, for wood carving, and maybe for engraving. And let's see how to install this attachment to the Dremel. So you have to take out the nose cap, and also the collet and the collet knot. You have to put here this attachment that we have seen earlier, that came in the box. And then you have to put this one in the base of the flexible shaft. So here we are ready. And then on the tip of the flexible shaft, you have to put the collet and the collet knot. Then you put the bit that you want and this button will be your lock button for installing the bit. And here we are. So at the beginning I wanted to make an easy tool holder out of wood, but then I found this 90 centimeter steel tube, and I'm going to make the tool holder out of these materials. So let's begin. So guys, as you saw, the tool holder works very well, and I'm really happy with the result. It's a very simple design, and you have to attach it to a table with a clamp in the base. And I have to paint it, but I didn't have the paint, so maybe in a future video I will show you the end result. And I also hope that you liked the unboxing of the Dremel 4000 with all the accessories and attachments. And my favorite attachment is the flexible shaft, because I wanted to use it for wood carving, and I think that with the flexible shaft you can achieve the details very good, and it will be very helpful during the wood carving process. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and clicking the notification bell. This will help us a lot. And also like the video and let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any suggestion for a future video. So we will see in the next video. Bye.